ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Mutsvangwa has sparked fresh political debate after subtly suggesting the need for renewed leadership accountability within the party, comments that some have interpreted as a veiled swipe at President Emerson Mnangagwa. Sabira mashoko mnanyuka uchinze Mutsvangwa oya panapa achikola for the removal of mtungamiri wenyika from his office. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timira mnamubla nyuka mchinze. Briefing the media in Harare earlier this week, Mutsvangwa emphasized the importance of leadership renewal in the face of growing economic frustration and political stagnation. In quotes, no leader, no matter how powerful, should be insulted from scrutiny, said Mutsvangwa. Our revolution was built on accountability, not entitlement. While Mutsvangwa did not mention Mnangagwa by name, observers were quick to point out the context. His remarks come amid increasing speculation about internal party rifts and concerns over alleged succession maneuvers within the president's close circles. In quotes, the moment any leader starts to believe he owns the party, that's the moment he must be reminded who owns the revolution, Mutsvangwa added. Adding fuel to the fire, Mutsvangwa also made reference to the military's historic role in safeguarding national interests. In quotes, the armed forces do not save an individual, they save the people. And when the people's will is undermined, you've seen before what happens, he said. While the official party lines insisted that Mutsvangwa's comments were about internal discipline and rejuvenation, critics see them as signal of deeper unrest within the ruling elite, possibly foreshadowing another internal shutdown. The president's office has not issued a formal response to the remarks, as the political temperature rises ahead of key party events later this year. One thing is certain, Mutsvangwa's words have reignited questions about the balance of power within ZANU-PF and whether history could be poised to repeat itself. Tomashoko anobuda panguva ine macritics achiona kuti aiwa Mutsvangwa panguva ino anenge akuda kuisa mutungamiri wenyika. Ngodzidzai mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ina comment section medu za mafungiro enyu, so subscribe or like, watch out on the bell icon.